When a group of people come together to work on a task or project, they don't just instantly function like a well-oiled machine. Instead, they evolve through specific stages, each with its own set of dynamics, challenges, and growth. Dr. Bruce Tuckman, in 1965, identified these stages as forming, storming, norming, performing, and later added adjourning. Let's delve into each stage. In the forming stage, team members are polite and positive. They're trying to understand the task and how they fit into the team. Here, individuals often rely on safe, pattern behaviour and look to the team leader for guidance. Then comes storming, a challenging phase. As team members start to voice opinions and push boundaries, conflicts arise. Personalities clash, and members may vie for status. This stage can be uncomfortable, but confronting differences is crucial to the team's future success. In the norming phase, things start to settle. Team members respect each other's strengths, and they begin to feel a sense of belonging. They establish routines, rules, and values that help them work together more effectively. The performing stage is where the magic happens. The team has a shared vision and can operate autonomously, trusting each other deeply. Here, they're focused on reaching their common goal, navigating challenges smoothly. Lastly, adjourning. This stage is also called mourning because it deals with the end of the project and separation of the team. It's a time for reflection, appreciation, and even sadness as the group disbands. Understanding Tuckman's stages helps teams navigate the complexities of group dynamics. It allows leaders and members alike to be more empathetic, patient, and strategic at each phase. So, the next time you're part of a team, remember these stages. Embrace the journey, and remember, every storm is followed by a norm, leading the way to outstanding performance.